Ever wondered how to truly master the powerful Canon EOS R10? First, let's power on your R10 by flicking the switch located on the top left of the camera body. Next, familiarize yourself with the mode dial for beginners. Start with the R10 Intelligent Auto mode, which lets the camera do the thinking for you to get a great shot. Before shooting, gently press the shutter button halfway down. This activates the camera's autofocus system, letting the R10 lock onto your subject. To quickly adjust settings like ISO or white balance, access the Q menu by pressing the Q button on the back, then use the control dial or touchscreen to navigate and select your desired option. For more in-depth settings like video resolution or custom controls, press the menu button once inside. You can use the multi-controller or the touchscreen to browse through the various tabs and options. Whether you're capturing still images or shooting video, remember to hold the camera steady. Utilize the electronic viewfinder or the articulating LCD screen to compose your shots effectively. Switching to video is as simple as pressing the dedicated movie shooting button. The camera will automatically adjust to video mode, ready for you to capture your cinematic moments. With these fundamental steps, you're well on your way to unlocking the full potential of your Canon EOS R10, capturing stunning images and videos with confidence.